Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPad alarms aren't going off, there are a few reasons this might be happening, and I'll walk you through the possible fixes. Let's get into it. First, check if your volume is turned up and that your ringer switch isn't muted. The iPad doesn't have a physical mute switch like the iPhone, but if your volume is too low, the alarm might not be loud enough to hear. Go to Settings, Sounds, and make sure the ringer and alert volume are turned up. You can, of course, adjust it however you like. Next, make sure the alarm sound is set correctly. Open the clock app, go to Alarm, and tap on the alarm you set. Under Sound, check that it's not set to None, because if it is, your alarm will go off silently. Choose a proper alert tone to ensure it actually makes noise when it rings. Another common issue is Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. These settings can mute alarms, so if you have them turned on, your alarm might not sound. Swipe down to Open Control Center. Check if Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is enabled and turn it off if needed. If everything looks right and the alarm still isn't working, try restarting your iPad. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary glitches that might be preventing alarms from working. Also, check if there's a software update available by going to Settings and General Software Update. Bugs in iOS could sometimes interfere with alarms, and an update might resolve the issue. If nothing else works, try deleting the alarm and creating a new one in the Clock app. This refreshes the settings and can fix any issues with a specific alarm not working properly. If you still have problems, you can also try third-party alarm apps. One that I've had good experience with is Alarmy. It even has tasks you need to complete after waking up, making sure you actually get out of bed. That's it. Hopefully one of these solutions gets your iPad alarms working again. Let me know in the comments if this helped. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more. See you later.